Before you choose a reliable dropshipping supplier, try and test their ordering system, as several important factors require your attention. First of all, check how fast is the shipment and how many options you have in terms of price and country if you plan on international sale. Then, check if the interface is customer friendly, because you will place orders there. So it has to be easy to work with on a daily basis. Next, the payment system. Make sure the supplier offers a range of payment methods, because with the numerous orders, time matters the most, and limiting the payment options extends the entire process. Lastly, to provide good customer support for your clients, make sure there is a search bar to quickly search for products by quotes or product names. A dropshipping wholesaler should offer various shipping options. Knowing that customers have very different preferences in this regard, you should be particularly careful and check whether there is such shipping methods as cash on delivery, still very popular, or parcel lockers. An important element is the time of completing the order and shipping. It is assumed that it should be between 1 up to 3 business days, but always check the exact time with the supplier in advance. After placing the order, the supplier should notify us through the system when the shipment has been sent, when it will arrive, and also provide us with a consignment note number that allows us to track the shipment. One of the basic things really is a quick and direct contact with a supplier. And I mean here a dedicated account manager to help you if questions arise. At the very beginning, it is vital to establish the rules of cooperation. Most of the time, big and well-known wholesalers have customer service departments that should delegate a contact person to a given store. If that's the case, your account manager will help you with many topics such as changes in the product feed, questions regarding the ordering process, assortment, possible difficulties with shipping, and etc. Dropshipping has lately been a trend in e-commerce that has gained many followers thanks to its simplicity. Its biggest advantage is undoubtedly the fact that when decided to run an online store, you don't need to invest thousands of pounds, euros, or any other currency to start the business you've been dreaming of. What you should take into consideration, though, is checking and verifying if the supplier you choose to work with is now a reliable partner and hopefully will remain so. If you're looking for a recommended supplier with a specific offer and products, check out our section called Suppliers Review, where we review a specific supplier for you, or get in contact and send us an email to info@megamo.eu for recommendations.